Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you the new chapter of Queen Mother and the Queen, chapter 46. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Queen Shishani and Jiangshu. Carried by Queen Shishani to be able to get and find best spots to watch the fireworks. Take steps. Right now, they arrive at the tallest house that they can find to be able to watch. But right now, Queen Shishanian, she was calling Jiangshu so that she can see that the sky is clear. The fireworks were gonna start sooner. Well, right now, seeing the place that we're standing, Queen Shishanian, she really chose the best place. Right now, Jiangshu, it seems that she was really amazed. Well, she was really excited and said to her it was so high. The sky is clear. The two of them are waiting to start the fireworks show. Well, she really can't wait to see it. Asha said, "What is this? Martial arts novel, do not deceive me. How could my sister be so powerful? How do you feel?" Queen Shishanian is asking her. Well, she was really amazed by the heights. Also, right now, it was the first time that I was flying with a like of work, but I didn't dare to watch it, so, well, it turns out she was really afraid of that. But Queen Shishanian, she carried her again, said, "Then, let's fly a little longer." Oh, she's been too tough. Queen Shishanian, it turns out she has so many talents, also talents in martial arts. That's why she can fly high. Well, it turns out when they're on the sky, fireworks is starting to play. And it was really good seeing that on the sky. Well, Queen Jiangshu seems to be in trance since she's still carried by Queen Shishanian. The background of fireworks are really so beautiful. Well, it seems that she looks like she was really enchanted. Suddenly, this kid again, the little kid whose Queen Shishanian gave her candid hawthorn. Well, it seems that she was really watching the fireworks also, and she looks really amazed seeing her flying like that in the sky. The kid seems to be envious. The kid said to her mother, "She's really a fairy sister." But right now, Queen Shishanian stopped on one of the biggest houses that she can find, and now the two of them watching the fireworks and said it was really beautiful. Well, looking at Shishanian, she seems to be happy seeing that Jiangshu acting like a child, and she really likes watching fireworks. Right now, Shishanian, she moved closer to her. Jiangshu, she was still looking at the sky. Said to her, "I am." Well, Queen Shishanian, she really looks powerful, especially right now. She can really do stunts like that. And it really makes sense. After so many things happened today, right now, suddenly she was blushing. She was telling her, "This is the most beautiful fireworks I have ever seen." Oh, right now, hearing this, Jiangshu, she was looking at Shishanian. She was calling her. Of course, this is the first time she heard that Shishanian is acting like this. Typically, she's really straightforward, also a hard person, a high ego, always provoking her. But right now, she can see a different side of Queen Shishanian. It was really a soft-hearted. She is obviously more beautiful than the fireworks. Such a beautiful Shishanian. What is this like? Well, technically, are really adoring Queen Shishanian because of her beauty, and also she was really popular in the palace, and I am just worthy of her. Now, she's losing her confidence. Jiangshu, she must feels awkward whenever she was with Shishanian. What are you thinking in your little head? Probably, she noticed that Jiangshu is acting strange, that's why Shishanian, right now, she's teasing her again, so she can came back to her senses. Just suddenly a little curious. "Sister, do you have a sweetheart?" Oh, this little queen, she was asking the queen mother, and right now she's asking if she has a lover. Hearing this, of course, Shishanian suddenly paused and moved closer to her. Well, it was really different. Jiangshu suddenly interested on her love life. Right now, she was really blushing. Right now, Jiangshu said to herself, why is her face so red? Qin Shisheng is acting strange. In history, Shisheng is in control. She has never raised any male pets. There has never been any scandal. Everything is following Queen Shisheng. It's not just because that she has no interest in it. Oh, it turns out she has no scandal and so on when she was reigning, and Jiangshu knows this. Well, back then she knows that Queen Shisheng, she has a sweetheart. Well, right now, why suddenly she feels so painful, knowing that Queen Shisheng has a sweetheart on the story? Why I am so sad, so angry, and so... She... She looks really jealous. When she looked back, she's looking at Shisheng. Well, probably, she want to ask her questions. I think she can really answer Jiangshu. Because right now, she also feel worried. Well, probably, she was really shy on Jiangshu. Did she notice it? Queen Shisheng said to herself. Since she really liked Jiangshu. At this moment, of course, she is really hiding it. The world is not as good as her. Well, looking at her, in Shisheng, she was still blushing. But suddenly, Queen Jiangshu stood up and she was looking at Shisheng. Well, she really feels surprised. She don't know how to treat her, also how to face her. Well, sister, you can fall in love. She was really shaking Shisheng. Right now, accusing her. Shisheng has a man. She is asking, who is that man? Well, she was really tricky and also jealous, right? You, but you don't have any. Ironically silly things because of him. Queen Jiangshu is asking Shisheng. Queen Shisheng said to her, man, anyone? Well, it seems that she really don't like a man. Queen Shisheng, she seems to be angry and said to her, who told you that I like men? Oh, this is really tough. Well, let's see what will happen next week. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can join the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!